Hey guys, today's video is going to be a thrift haul. I actually should have gotten everything ready because everything's still over there and I'm over here. I just filmed another video. I'm on a film and roll. Kids are napping, relaxing right now, so I've got some time. Well, let's just start off with what I'm wearing. So I don't know if I'm going to sell this yet. I kind of like it. It's a freaking Justin Bieber tour sweatshirt. I don't know if you can see, but somebody ripped it right here. Like, you know, so it's not like choking, even though this isn't choking. Like this is huge. This is an extra large. I would say though it fits more like a large. Just throwing that out there. But yeah, somebody did rip this right here. It says Bieber Stadium Tour on the arm. Just bumped my head on the back. Can you see? Can you see? I just bumped my head on the shelf. You guys can't see, but I have a shelf right there, and I just bumped my freaking head on it. So yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. I don't know, but it's like the perfect oversized hoodie, and I'm just I'm gonna show you guys something that I got at friggin' DSW. I bought these like full price because I saw them on Instagram and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to have them. So yeah, so these weren't thrifted, but look how cute these boots are. Oh my gosh, are they like the cutest? Or what? We got a little zipper action going right here. We got a little platform. They're so cute. I love them. I love them. Yeah, I got them at DSW. I will have a link down below. I have a picture of me wearing them. I'll like insert it here. But yeah, these are so cute. These are like my fall boots. I don't know about winter. I have like really good LL Bean winter boots. Bean boots are the best. But yeah, I thought these were so friggin' cute. These were like $60 I think, but totally worth it. They're kind of like imitation Doc Martens, but I don't know, I like the chunky heel. I like this little detail right here and the zipper, and the black and white I think is badass. So those are my boots. Those are my boots that I'm obsessed with. Someone's making noises out there. All right, let's start off with some jeans, guys. American Eagle jeans. I love them. I love them. I love them to sell. I love them for myself. They're so comfortable. Yeah, these are just the super stretch high-rise skinny jeans. They are a size 8. No distressing. Just look like this in really, really good condition. Found some more Vineyard Vines freaking leggings. I showed them in a previous haul. I was like, I didn't know Vineyard Vines made leggings, but I found these. These are size small, and they're just like an all-over like whale tail print. There is, actually, I don't know. No, actually, they might. This might be the material, because if you look, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Yeah, see how it's like, has like pilling, but I feel like it's supposed to be like that because it's literally everywhere. Does that make sense? Is that a good reason? I don't know. I'd have to like, I'm gonna have to look up comps and stuff and see what the other ones look like. We'll see how these do. The other ones are still, wait, oh no, did I sell them? I think I sold them. I did sell them. Yeah, I sold them. I sold the the other ones for $25. I'll pop up a picture of what they look like. Yeah, those sold pretty quick. But I've hired someone to help me with like packaging orders and stuff, and okay, she might have messed up a couple orders. A pink Victoria's Secret quarter zip, size large. It's got a Sherpa hood. Looks like this. It's got, yeah, see, this is really, it's not coming up on camera. I tried to photograph this, but the yellow wasn't like coming up. Yeah, it's got yellow and black and white. And then on the back, we get a doggy that's outlined in yellow, and you can't really, well, I guess you kind of can. It's hard. I'm gonna have to play with the lighting. What the hell was that? It's a Victoria's Secret leggings, Victoria's Secret Sport. These are size medium. I thought these were cool, like the waist. Just like this grayish blue color. Yep. Okay, guys, you know I love my Victoria's Secret stuff. This is super cute. This is American Eagle, size medium. It's like a flannel shirt, like a hooded flannel shirt. Super cute and cozy for fall. I might want to keep it because it's cute and cozy for fall. Found this hoodie, New England Patriots. I got it because I like the blue, and I don't know, I just like the blue, but then I realized it's Nike. So a Nike New England Patriots hoodie. This is a size small. There it is. Did I mention this is all just bread and butter stuff? I don't have anything too exciting, but this is real life shit that I find. All right, we have a Champion sweatshirt. This is a size extra large. It's pretty purple. Look at the Champion on the side. This is super cute. This is a Roxy Sherpa jacket. This is a size medium. I thought this was cute. Guys, I used to wear Roxy in high school. So whenever I see like Roxy stuff, I know it's not like, you know, it's not like super popular, but I just get so like nostalgic and I'm like, oh, I need to buy it because freaking 17-year-old Vanessa would be all over this. Like, oh my gosh, yes. But it's cute and it's super soft too and it's in like really good condition. My husband found this and I feel like with my hair color, I can't wear like certain colors and I feel like this is one of them. I don't know. I feel like if I wear this, I feel like I'd look funny, but it's a Nike hoodie, size large, with like the old school logo on it. I just sold one of these in black, like this exact hoodie in black. I just sold it. But yeah, I like it. Wouldn't that look funny with my hair? Would it? No. Found this Burton hoodie. I actually just sold a Burton hoodie. This is a size medium. Looks like this, but it's like a longer medium. Super cute. And this is more lightweight. And there is some cracking like on the logo. But yes, it's almost winter. My snowboard. I see you. I see you. It's staring at me. I cannot wait to go snowboarding this year. I didn't go at all last year. I mean, understandable because I just had a freaking baby. And yeah, oh my gosh. But I'm going to shred the gnar. I'm going to tear up the slopes this summer. I was going to say summer. Yeah, winter. We're tearing up the slopes. Okay. Champion reverse weave, size medium sweatshirt, black with like the carpet feel logo thing. This was an interesting find. So this is Postmark by Anthropology. Postmark. Anthropology is the store. Postmark is the brand. How about that? Okay. So this is new with tags. It says it retails for $98. And it's cute. It says tomorrow on it with like all these magical things. Sequins and things and strings and things. It's cute. It's like a mock neck sweatshirt. And then we got this little thread detail over here. Super cute. Just found this random Dickies flannel shirt, size medium. I like the color. Flannels are in, and it's Dickies, so. Found some Patagucci. This is a size medium. This is like a really like velvet velour sweatshirt we got here, like V-neck. Got 2 pockets. I don't know what this is right here. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Right there. Hold on. Let me hold it up better. I don't know what that says. I don't know. Can anyone enlighten me? Because I have no idea what that means, says. I found this pink Victoria's Secret Boston Red Sox hoodie. On the back it says, I'm a great catch. I'm a great catch. I'm a great catch. Woo, woo, woo. Size small, but this would fit like a size large. Like it's pretty big. Another pink Victoria's Secret hoodie. This is a size small, just a Boston College hoodie. It's like a brown color. I like the sequins. I feel like my sequin Victoria's Secret stuff sells really well on Mercari, like really, really well. Okay, what is this? Oh, we have a Chaser. Sorry, the stuff just came out of the wash, so it's like, oh. Chaser tank top, size small. It says support live music. This Nike t-shirt, just a size small. I don't know, it's cute. It says just do it on it. Basic tee. Basic ass tee. This is cute. This is Athleta, size extra small, but this definitely fits like a small. This is the Tranquility wrap sweater, cardigan, some shit. I don't know. But yeah, it's like open and you're not gonna be able to see what it looks like with me holding it up. Oh yeah, you kind of can. Yeah, it's cute. Found a Ray Dunn t-shirt. I didn't know Ray Dunn made clothing, but this is a size medium. It says Dog Mama on it. Dog Mama. Woo! That is it for this video. If there's anything that you see that you want to purchase, everything will be listed by the time this video is up. If you guys are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.